Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. So today's video is about EverPwnage, which is a completely brand new jailbreak tool for all your 32-bit devices on iOS 8.0 to 9.0.2. And the big thing is that it is completely untethered, which means that if you restart your device will stay jailbroken. So the supported devices are the iPhone 4S, iPad 2, 3, iPad mini 1, iPod Touch 5, and in A6 devices we have iPhone 5, iPhone 5C, and the iPad 4. Also please note that EverPwnage is completely free and we are at its official GitHub page. The good thing is that you can use the legacy iOS kit to easily downgrade your 32-bit devices from any version to iOS 8.4.1 and enjoy this EverPwnage Untethered Jailbreak. For your ease, I have linked a complete guide on how to use legacy iOS kit to downgrade your legacy devices. You can simply scroll down and under releases you can see we have the IPA file for EverPwnage. As you can see it right here, you can simply get it to your computer and then you can use sideloadly, which is completely free, to install EverPwnage onto your device. And as you can see, for this video I have downgraded my iPad 4 to iOS 8.4.1. The tool looks like this and you can simply turn this button on. It is on by default to install Untethered. In more settings, you have the option to install OpenSSH or to reinstall the bootstrap. Let's jailbreak. Your device will be rebooted. Hit OK. Once your device reboots, you will find Cydia on your home screen. The device just resprung after preparing the file system for Cydia, and there we go. Everything works, as you can see it right here. Now we will test the Untethered. I will completely turn this device off. Alright, as you can see, the device turned back on. The jailbreak is completely untethered. As you can see, it is already jailbroken and I can easily open Cydia without any issues. That's all for this video for EverPwnage Jailbreak. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.